Okay. All right.
Can we do number 14?
Let's do number one. Number one says you have a 4.5 pound chicken and costs $5. So you got 4.5 pounds and your cost is $5.25. When you guys go shopping for a turkey this Thanksgiving, that's probably what you'll figure out is price per pound. Now, so how am I going to figure out my unit price? I'm going to put my cost up top, which is in dollars. I'm putting it kind of over the side to see. And then my unit on the bottom, pounds. What do you guys get when you divide that out?
1.16.
So how you write this is 1.167 per pound.
Do you want us to carry everything out to the farthest?
Let's go through when they're just asking for unit price. The reason you do that is because we're trying to figure out which one's cheaper than the other. So we're going to go one extra, if one was 1.12, then we know that one's cheaper than the other one, just to make sure we figure that out. Good question. Now, number 14. Number 14 says, Henry Levin is buying first aid supplies for a midsummer camping trip. He purchased a sunscreen at $2.97, and I'm going to put it over 0.5 ounce. Okay. I don't know if we're going to need to figure that out yet, but I'm going to put it like that so we know we can figure out unit pricing if we want. Antibacterial ointment costs $3.34 for 28.35 grams. A box of 34 bandages for $4.25. So what you do here is you go $4.25 per, I guess I didn't need to put that to sunscreen, but $4.25 for 34 bandages. And a 0.75 ounce tube of lip balm for $2.29. So the lip balm was $2.29 per 0.75 ounces. What is the unit price for each item? Okay, this one. Sunscreen equals what? What's 2.97 divided by 0.5?
5.94.
5.94 per ounce. These units are important. The next thing was the ointment, we'll call it. Did I always spell it? I don't feel bad that I'm not the best at spelling ointment. Need to make sure I spelled that. Ointment is this one right here, dollars per gram. Now round it to 3 if you can. Did this one be able to round to 3?
Yeah, it's 1178. So it could be 118 instead of.
So this
Oh,
was
you
five.
talking about sunscreen?
Yes, on the
No,
sunscreen.
it couldn't.
It came out even?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is what? 1 point.
It's 0.117.
So 0.117.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the bandages, they equaled what? 425. So this is going to be dollars per bandage, right? What do we get there?
0.117.
So about 12.5 cents, right? Then the last one was lip balm. Like I said, units are important. This is going to be per ounce, isn't it? What is it?
3.053.
So what was the most expensive by far?
The
Per unit, basically, that it's, nope, sunscreen. Sunscreen is expensive. That makes sense. If you've ever bought sunscreen, you buy this little bottle and you see $10 and you're like, what? But they got you. Especially if you're at a theme park, then it's really expensive. Then at 10 turns into 20. Okay, we're gonna do numbers 1 through 14, write conditions, draw tables, show all steps and work. And guys, I want to see units in your answers and the way you're doing things. That is important, okay? Because the whole purpose of this section, put it up. Whole purpose of this section is to understand unit pricing, and when you gotta go to the store and you understand what it's saying to you. So, per gram is different than what? Per ounce, per bandage, okay? So on and so on. So I want to make sure we write that down.